Hello everyone, Magmi here. Today I'd like to share with you how I draw environments and landscapes. It's an easy trick I learned while working in Thailand, the gaming company that brought you such games like Dead Island and Dying Light. So first thing, I'll show you how I used to draw environments. I always used to draw with a small narrow brush to highlight mountains, sky and things like that. It's hard to say how objects are far away from each other, and it's hard to focus on the basic shape of the environment. There is, in my opinion, a better and easier way. I call it the thumbnail method. The rule of this method is to draw on a smaller window and with a thicker brush. In this way we can focus on the basic shape of our landscape. It's also easy to make changes if you feel like it. As you can see in the video, I'm experimenting with setting up the environment, using darker brush for objects near the camera and a lighter brush for objects far away. I'm focusing on drawing simple shapes first, then I try to add more details. You can see it's easy for me to add changes, even bigger ones. When I'm satisfied with how the drawing looks on the smaller window, I zoom in to add more details. After drawing in only black and white, I start adding more colors. For this, I use new layer with hard light blending. I select the color I like and use the gradient tool to add it. As you can see, I started with bright yellow color for the sky, then I added blue and other colors. I tried to experiment a little, changing colors back and forth until I'm happy with the results. Even here I tried to zoom out to have a better view on the color scheme. After adding some basic colors, I start detailing the drawing. I sped up this process because it's pretty tedious. The focus of this video is mainly to show how the thumbnail method can improve your drawing skills. Try using it for any environment and hopefully you'll see how this method can be useful and fun. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you like this type of videos and if you'd like to see more of the tips and tricks on digital drawing.